Hey you guys, it's your girl Jaina K'Marie and I'm back with another video. So today is Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. I just finished getting ready. I just don't want anything. I just got on my foam runners, these sweatpants, this little black shirt, and my little bag. And that's the outfit. And we just finna go and run some errands today by ourselves. Just gonna go on a little date, I guess you're gonna call it. I wanna go to Sephora and I'll probably go to like H&M or something. The mall that I'm going to, they don't got that much stuff. Unless I drive to the other mall. I might go to the other mall. I don't know yet. But I'm about to head out. We're about to go to the car wash because I need to clean my car real bad. So yeah, let's go. Alright y'all, we in the car. I just went to go check the mail, but Pookie, we don't got none, so. Where's my lip gloss? Alright, we leaving. We get out the house. We are getting in the sunshine. We are going to have a good day. And yeah, like, it's sunny outside. It feels good outside. I have a jean jacket if I get cold. And yeah, I'm excited. Period. 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 I'm weak. Y'all, it's 222. Look. Oh, y'all missed it. Sorry. I saw it, but y'all missed it. Sorry. Couldn't show y'all that one. God said that one was for me. No cap. That one was for me. Alright, we on the way to the car wash right now. It's down the street. Yeah, also y'all, my windshield cracked. A freaking rock hit me and it cracked, and it's like the crack is getting bigger and bigger. And yeah, that's really lame. At first I didn't even think it cracked, and then I looked at it because my visor was down when it happened. But I didn't think it cracked. Joke's on me. Joke's on me. I also did not eat. I have Chipotle at home, so I'm not gonna eat. I'm not gonna buy food because it's just like, I'm gonna get food later, but right now I'm not gonna get food because I have food at home. If I end up buying food, I buy food. But yeah, I don't know what to do. Why are you stopping? Why are you like, what's up? What's up? Ain't no way they just did that. Put you on the dresser. I know you were ready when I met you. You say you want that, but I won't sweat you. My mind been made up. Plenty times I swear I could have played tough. Plenty times inside I would have gave up. I don't even know if that's the words, but yeah.
Sweat you, my mind been made up. Plenty times I swear. Every time you give up on me, I be calling back like we done made up. I just wanna meet whoever made love. Yeah. Baby, I need you to be here. Be my friends. I'll probably never fall in love again. I said in that tub, crying to nobody else. I ain't got nobody help. I feel like I'm by myself. Peace and you just say, oh well. Stay on the train tracks. Take a silver bullet.
Car wash. I don't know if this thing works. That shit still work, period. How long do that shit last? They just looking at me. We finna listen the right way, but y'all knew that was coming. You knew that was coming. There's no way you didn't know that was coming. Thumbnail. I'm scared. Dragging that through the mud. Huh? I'm in a car wash if you can't hear me. Yeah, I'm sweating. Whew. Shit, that was a workout. I told you I had to get this shit right, y'all. My shit was bad. Like, it was food in here, like old ass food, just nasty. Get up. Okay, I'm hot. Ooh, that shit get in my eyes. Ooh, I know the lighting is kind of weird, but we are at this thrift store. I'm about to just run in here. I wanted to go in here before I go to the mall because I actually like this thrift store. Like, this is a nice thrift store, and they be having some nice stuff. So we're gonna go in here. I don't know if I really feel like it's too much stuff in my tote bag. Like, it's just way too much stuff. It's not it. So I'm gonna just take out what I need and keep the rest in the car. My AirPods and the rest can stay. It's called Uptown Cheapskate. I don't know if y'all ever heard of it. I guess it's thrift store. But it's like, it's cool. Y'all can see it's cool. It's a cool little, you feel me? And we'll see what I find. They say, oh, there go the youngin'. It's right there. My pants swollen. Ooh, anthills. I'm gonna put the camera down because I want you to see it. Y'all know I'm shy. And it be security in here. It be security. Alright, y'all, that thrift store ain't have too much of nothing in there, so we're gonna head to the mall now because I didn't find nothing in there. It was real dry. It was real dry, so I'm gonna head to the mall. And yeah, let's go. This damn Toyota Rava is pissing me off. Like, okay, like folks can't drive today or something. What's up? And it's busy everywhere, y'all. It's a Wednesday at like 3 o'clock on a Wednesday. Why is there so many people out? I just feel like this is beyond me. Beyond. Y'all, people pissing me off for real. Acting like they don't know how to fuck. Bah. So I'm taking I wish it was a Forever 21 in here, but it's not.
Okay, so you're fine with the white turtleneck from Violet?
It's It's like 5 a.m. I'm hungry. I'm getting hungry. I need to eat. Real bad. JT. Let me stop. It's hella people here waiting. Oh my god. It's so many people. Can I get a gourmet iced chai tea latte with oat milk and brown sugar syrup and then pumpkin coke? Anything else? That's all. What's the name? Jay. Thank you. No problem. You get to go. Sure, I just got a Starbucks. I got my drink. I'm gonna show y'all what it is. This is what it is. Wait. I can't do it. Y'all see that? They ate that one up, no cap. is what I came to get. This is what we came for. And then I want the Laneige lip gloss. I didn't mean to turn the camera off, but we finna get it now. I gotta find it though. I don't know where the lip thing is. Oh wait, here it goes. They have it, y'all look. I don't know which one to get. I think I'm gonna get berry or gummy bear. I think I'm gonna get gummy bear. Well, I'm excited, period. My drink is a chai latte with pumpkin cocoa. It's busting. Alright, we're gonna get this. And I don't know which one to get. Or peach. I think I'm gonna get peach. Wait, I'm gonna smell all of them. Y'all can't even see me. Oh, they have like a thing. Wait, y'all. Okay, so look. Y'all, these are $17, but this is $21. So I'm finna get this instead of that. Because I get both. So we finna get both. Yeah, we finna get this one. For Jaina.
Okay, which one is your email? They have, is it just your first K and then Marie?
Yeah.
Did anybody help you before today?
Your nails are pretty. Thank you. Have a good one. Take care of that bag. I did not mean to start recording. Y'all, we going back home. I'm talking to my friends though, so. Bye. Okay. I want to show I want to show you my outfit. Did y'all see? Period. Be serious. Alright, y'all, I'm home. I'm about to eat this Chipotle. I just heated it up. And I'm about to watch Baddies on Zeus or something. And then we're gonna go work out later. I'm trying to wait for the traffic to die down and stuff before I go. And then we're gonna pick up.
They do have Baddies ATL. Hey.
And then we're gonna go to the gym. And that's gonna be that. So yeah. Oh wait, before I eat, I gotta show y'all what I got. Because yeah. Even though y'all saw what I got, I don't know where to put y'all. Even though y'all saw what I got, I'm still gonna show y'all. So I got the lip stuff, y'all. I got it, but I was just gonna get this, but this was $17 by itself, and this is $21 for the pack, and I get the math. And I'm gonna try it out. I'm excited. I'll show y'all when I try it. And then I got the Brazilian Crush body mist. I smelled this so many times before and I just haven't got it, so I went ahead and got it. Period. Little treat yourself moment, okay? So now I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Alright, y'all, it's a little bit later. It's 7 o'clock now. I'm about to get ready to go to the gym in a minute, but I wanted to try this lip stuff before I forget. We finna just see what it's talking about. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like it. I'm excited though. I'm gonna try the lip mask tonight. Y'all see it? This is the lip sleeping mask. It smells good, but we're gonna wait to try that one. And then I got what I really wanted was the lip gloss. Make sure I got it on. And this is in berry. Y'all saw all the flavors, but this one was the one that came with the pack, so this is why I got this on. You just don't want to focus, like. There we go. We're gonna see what it's talking about. Hold on now. I like this. I like this. Y'all, this is good. Okay. And it smell good. Ooh, lips is juicy. Go get you some. Period. That stuff ate. Okay. Putting this in my purse. I want to keep it in the packaging though because it's so cute. But I just feel like that's defeating the purpose. That's not what it's made for. And then I already know what this smells like, but I'm just gonna open it. So I haven't opened it yet. And I got some coupons. I got 20% off, 15% off. I don't even know which one I am. Like, I don't know what level I'm on for like the beauty thing. I don't know what's going on. But then I got this. I can't open it. Yeah, I don't know if I want to go work out at a park, low-key. That sounds real nice. Oh, outside workout. I low-key want to do that. Or do we go to the gym? I don't know. But I'm going to do one. I can't get the paper off. Like, it's not trying to come off. There you go. This stuff smells good. It just smells... Yeah. This does smell good. Yeah, you finna be smelling good. That's what it look like. I'm pretty sure y'all seen this before on TikTok and stuff. So that's what I got from Sephora. Period. Mini haul. And I'm gonna talk to y'all whenever I am about to go either to the park or to the gym. Alright, y'all, I'm about to get ready to go to the gym. I'm finna wear this, but I'm about to put on a tank top and then like a jacket or something. Oh, my eyes, I was laying down. But I'm about to just change real quick. I'm leaving my hair like this. I don't care. I'm going to the gym. I mean, I could wear this shirt. I think I'll just wear this shirt. I'm about to just take this bra off and put my other bra. I guess I'm gonna do legs today. I guess. I don't really know what else to do. I'm mad my pre-workout not here, but it's fine. Hold on, I'm about to do this. Alright. This is what we're wearing. I'll put on a jacket if I need a jacket. And then I'm just going to wear my Vans. And I'm going to stop at the gas station to get an energy drink before I go. And then when I'm leaving, I'm going to pick up me some food. I really want some food from Chick-fil-A, so that's what I'm going to do. Headed to the gym. Alright, y'all, I'm home. I'm about to eat me something really quick, like some cereal or something, take a shower and go to bed. Well, I'm about to get in the shower first and go to bed because I do have to work in the morning. So this is the end of the video. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really hope y'all enjoy. If y'all did, be sure to leave a like and a comment down below. My Instagram will be on the screen if you want to follow me, as well as in the description. And make sure y'all subscribe, like the video, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye, y'all.